Today's video I'm gonna be reviewing this next pick. I just got mine, and so I want to actually see exactly what it looks like. I've been seeing it on the internet, and there are things which I want to look out for here. So this is it. It comes in a very solid case like this. I was actually thinking it's gonna be bigger than this, but this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna pop it up, and this is the first view of it. So the case is actually very solidly made, and that's much like I'm expecting it. And this is just to create some protection from scratch or stuffs. So, and this is a tablet, which is the main guy right here. So, and that's the manual here, the barcode, the activation code. Okay, and that's the part, and that's the okay. You have even screen guard, and like this is the manual, like I said. So this one aside, and you have the charger, the charging cable, which is type C. This doesn't look so quality like I'm expecting. And this is the dongle here, which you need to connect underneath the car, and you have the charger here. Okay, so pretty much this is it. So the next thing which I'm supposed to have done here is to, I think this is all it comes with. Nothing. You have the dongle, the cable, the charger, the screen guard, the activation code. So you have to be careful not to misplace this, and the manual. Okay, so let me take it out and see if I'm gonna power the tablet. Oh, look at the tablet. Wow, it looks quite heavy. I think is it around 4,800 mAh that they actually said it is. So, and that's a good one. It has some sort of a stand which you can just extend it here to be able to. I'm using one hand to do this unboxing, so I hope you bear with me. So it has this thing which actually is supposed to pull it from here, so you can be able to stand it while you're doing a diagnostics. All right, you still have the leather right in front of it. So I'm still yet to power this guy up. I know there are some other things which I'm supposed to have done in order to properly, but that's gonna be on the next video. So this is just about unboxing it and taking a look at it and see how it feels. And that's the port for where the charger is gonna connect. It seems like you have a memory card slot there, which you can see over there. Then that's it. So guys, I hope you fancy this my little unboxing of next pick. The next episode is going to be to reveal this, and I'm not going to be revealing this like a normal user. I'm going to be revealing this like a mechanic. So I'm going to show you a lot of things which this thing can do. I'm going to go into different ways. I'm going to be using different car to actually check. First of all, I'm going to be using this Volkswagen, and I'm going to be solving a real life problem with it, and we see exactly how it deals with it. I think that is the most important thing about the product review. And here, this is not sponsored by anybody. I am doing this on my own because I just need a replacement, some that can actually be able to stand the test of time, or that can actually do the job which I'm currently doing with my launch. And I heard it have bidirectional capability, and it have key coding and capability. So we're going to explore all those options in the next episode and see really what it can actually do. So I'll keep you guys in touch. For now, what I'm supposed to have done right here is to press the start button, but funny, there is no any label to show actually which one is actually the power on button. So pretty much it means you're gonna be messing around with it to actually know where to actually power it up, which is very funny. I mean, it should have been on, off, or whatsoever, but look at it here. There is no anything to show. I mean, no any label to show which one is actually the on and off. But I'm still very much satisfied with it, though I haven't been able to power it up. So let me try. Press this for a moment. It doesn't power up. Press this. It still doesn't power up. Press this. Now it has powered up. Okay, with a MediaTek Android. Oh, the look on it looks like it's some like an older Android version stuff. So you can see powered by Android. I don't know if you can be able to see that very well. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to catch it while it does that. Okay, you can see it right now. Okay, so you see it. It's on portrait mode. You can see it right here. So it's more like some sort of a face of the Nexus phone here, a tablet. Well, that's more like it. I don't know, how do I get to actually show you this so you can see what I'm seeing? Because right now, okay, let me try to increase the brightness. First of all, let me check. Okay, it comes with 93% battery life. That's good. Okay, now I have increased the brightness. Auto rotate, smart saving mode, one hand operating, and it's actually a 4G compatible, so you can be able to click on the Wi-Fi and connect it. There's a 4G, and okay, it has even SIM. It has a SIM card to it. That's good. So you have SIM 1 and SIM 2 option, so you can actually put a SIM card into it and get it connected to internet. So I think that's another very good thing which I never knew it's gonna actually have, because I didn't look into those. Now let's go into the others. Now so far I'm scratching my head trying to find out. Okay, here is it. So you have a next speaker this thing somewhere here. So if I click on it, I think it's gonna be requesting for, that's launching it. Okay, so diagnosis and all that. Well, the software doesn't look very powerful. Key programming, special functions, car diagnostics, DTC query. Pretty much that's it, right? Now guys, I'm gonna be keeping you guys posted and updated next episode, where I'm gonna be doing the proper review. But so far, right now, you have known that this last button here is the one which you use to actually power it on. So I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.